Welcome to London Visited. Today we're going to Marble Arch. This is where Oxford Street meets Park Lane, Hyde Park and the A5, a Roman road, which takes you directly to Wales.
Welcome to the channel, where each week we share with you the views, history and facts of the great places in London that even many of the locals don't know about.
This statue in the middle of Marble Arch is called the Horse at Water.
The statue weighs just over 17 tonnes and is 10 metres high. The shiny base it sits on represents the surface of water. In the 1960s, Marble Arch as it is known now was removed from the corner of Hyde Park and made probably into the world's busiest roundabout.
The area was originally known as Tyburn and was one of the most notorious public execution sites in the country. Executions were held here for almost 600 years. After Queen Victoria took the throne and moved into Buckingham Palace in 1837, it was found it was too small. As a result, expansion work took place and the Marble Arch was dismantled and rebuilt on the corner of Hyde Park, where it still stands today, acting as the entrance to the park. However, the Marble Arch is now separated from Hyde Park, following a scheme to widen the roads of London as it continued to grow. Since completion, it's continued to be used in royal processions, including the gold state coach used during Elizabeth II's coronation, passing through the gates in 1953.
The arch is 14 metres high and measures 18.3 metres wide. Wow! I love the decoration on the gates. 3 small rooms inside the rebuilt arch were used as a police station from 1851 until at least 1968. That's an interesting fact not many would know. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.